Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Tech with CyberRay. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Android on VMware. So actually, I have made a video which is older on how to install Android on VMware, but that one had some mistakes, some steps missing. So I have made the corrections on this video, and I'm gonna show you the complete steps and the correct method to install it. So let's get started. So step 1 is open up your browser. Can be in your browser, it's not a big deal. And type in Android 86 download. Here it is. Android 86 download. Click on the first link which pops up. Click on the first link which says download now SourceForge trusted for open source. Click on this green button which says download the latest version. It's better. Click on it and wait for some time. And here you go. The download has been started. It says 921 MB, that's the correct size of file. My Wi-Fi is a bit slow, so it may take some time. Just wait for some time. Then once the download is over, we'll jump to the next one. It's time to set it up. Press on the Windows logo key on your keyboard and type VMware. Hit enter. Open the VMware. Click on create a new virtual machine. Let it be typical. Click next. Click on install the disk image ISO file and hit browse. Now go to the download section or any section where you see the Android ISO. Mine is in the downloads. Click on it. Click open. Hit next. And in this guest operating system, click Linux, and in this version, click on the drop down and select other Linux. Choose the highest one. I'll go with other Linux 6 external 64-bit. You can go with the lowest one if you have a lower end PC. Mine is a higher one, so I'll go with 6. Make sure to go with 64-bit and not the normal one. Hit next, and in this, just give any name. Android, I'll give it. Hit next. Now the disk size, I recommend you to give at least 25 GB. I'll go with 28 GB, but the minimum is 25 GB. Hit next. Click on customize hardware. In this memory is based on your RAM. Press on your Windows on the keyboard. Sorry. Press on Ctrl Shift Escape key together to open the task manager. And here, click on performance. In the memory, I'll just put screen it. In the memory, you'll see how much RAM you have. I have 24 GB in total. So if you have 16 GB, give half of it. If you have 8 GB, give half of it, 4 GB, like that. So as I have 24, I'll go with 12, so I'll go with 16 GB. Because the half you give, the more you give, the more the performance will be. Now go to the processors. Now sync Press Ctrl Shift Escape key together to open the task manager. Go to the Performance tab, and in the CPU section, you'll see the cores. See, I have 4. If you have 8, give half of it 4. If you have 4, go for 2. I'll go with 2. There's 2, so it's better. Now in the display section, go to the display and click on Accelerate 3D Graphics. And once all are selected, click Close and click Finish. Now let's power on the virtual machine. Before you power on, after the VMware installation, make sure you have installed the VMware tools. Once you install the VMware workstation, you'll get a pop-up saying, do you want to install the VMware tools or not? Click yes. Else, if you run any ISO like the Android, Kali Linux, Ubuntu, or any ISO, it will not run perfectly. So make sure you have installed it. Now let's power it on. Now end this, use the arrow keys up and down, go to the advanced options, use the arrow keys, go to advanced options, hit enter, and this select auto installation, auto install to specified hard disk, hit enter, now it asks you are choosing the auto installation you want to confirm or not. Click yes. Now wait for some time. Okay, the Android is installed successfully. Now in this is the arrow keys. You can run the Android 86, but to install it perfectly, fully, click reboot. Hit enter. Now it's rebooting. Wait for some time. And this use the arrow keys. Now select Android-86, not the debug mode, not the debug no more set, and not this one. It's the first one. Press on the E key, letter E on your keyboard to edit. And this also select the kernel Android, the first one, and select E. Now use the left arrow key, come back, it will come, see, it comes back till you find quiet, QUIET. Delete it and replace this one. No more. They said space X FORCE force VESA force visa. No more digit X force visa. Hit enter. See, as you can see, it has been changed. Kernel no more digit X force visa. Now press the B button to boot with this change. Now wait for some time. Now wait for some time to let it start. Okay guys, now it's time to set up the Android. Use your mouse, go to start. Oh, and this it asks for me to connect to Wi-Fi. Totally, I don't want to. Without a connection, you can. It's okay. It asks for me without a connection. I can sign into Google account, get software updates. No problem, not a big deal. Click continue if you don't want to connect to Wi-Fi. Now, and this to set up the time. I'm in UAE, so just go with. Mm, see, Dubai. Okay, click next. Okay, accept. It asks for me to set up the password. I don't want to know. Yeah, no, no, I don't want screen lock. Skip, skip anyway. Home app. Um, I'll go with the quick step. Always can change it. Okay, guys, and that's it. As you can see, now the Android is ready. As you can see, mine is lagging a bit. I don't know why, so let's fix this. Go to VM. First of all, go to removable device, set the VM, removable, and this, go to CD and click the disconnect. Because if you make this ISO file connected, you know what will happen? Once you run Android after shutting down it will get back to the setup screen. And this, go to settings to make it faster. And there's I said the memory for 13 GB, maybe that's the problem. So I'll go with 18 GB. That's enough. Cause I'll go with 4. And display, yeah, it's on. Okay, now click OK. Video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, chat with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech hacks and tutorials. Thank you. And for more tech tutorials and tech fixes like this, I have also my website. This is my website, guys, easyhacks.tech. Link is in the description. Here we can find every blogs, every issues fix. Like if there's the brightness key F3 and F4 not working, you can find how to fix them. Fix the website and many more fixes and tutorials. So make sure to check it out. If you have any more questions on the website or if there's any blog missing, you can contact us in here. I'll reach you out. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before you close the browser. Bye.